Jennifer, this looks beautiful. So you actually created your own line here. What do we all have here? It looks like bath salts and looks like, I mean,
Yes, I did. I created my own body product line because I have worked as a nutritionist for 10 years, and when I work with clients that are dealing with autoimmune, a lot of sensitivities, cancer, I mean, a wide variety of things, they also are looking to wanting to use really natural body products. And also if someone's going through detox, it really is helpful for them to have things they can use to help make it easier and use to relax while they're going through the process, things like that. So I was inspired to have my own body product line that I can use with clients or anyone who wants to use them, and that's what I've created.
And why not use something that's out there already? I mean, why did you choose to go through all the effort to put this together instead of just recommending something that's out there already?
Well, it's quite hard to find a line, honestly, that is simple and effective and fun, and I just kept running into that. So I have a connection with a friend who's been formulating products for 25 years. She makes this on Orcas Island, so it's right by the ocean, and it's all small batched and well crafted, and I just worked with her, and I just wanted to create it so that I knew when I recommended to clients that I wanted them to switch over their hair care or their body care, what was in the ingredients. It's that important to me.
Yeah, and like you're saying, detoxification is so important, we're exposed to so many chemicals now around us all the time,
Exactly.
so we really need to support that. So
Absolutely.
how is this helping with detoxification?
Well, we have a specific actually detox bath bomb. This is it right here. It's beautiful. And we have a large or small size, and it is very simple. These bath bombs, you can use them in a bath, or you can also do a foot soak, and it's just shea butter, coconut oil, citric acid, and baking soda, and then therapeutic grade essential oils. There's typically a lot of other things added to bath bombs that are actually not healthy for you, and they can give you infections, and they can be hormone disruptors such as fragrance or glitter, things that are added. And I searched everywhere for non-toxic bath bombs and I had a hard time finding them. So I decided to have my own made. And as you can see, they're beautiful to look at. You put this in and it's very moisturizing. This is dipped in actually activated charcoal, which helps to pull toxins out, and this does not stain your bathtub. It's very relaxing, it smells good, and then the essential oils that we use are very high grade, and they are also designed to pull toxins out. And so and then we have an activated charcoal soap, which is really, really pretty.
It is pretty. It looks really good.
It's made with goat milk. So, and actually every product except for the ones that have some goat milk in them are vegan. But this is made with activated charcoal, peppermint, rosemary. It's very moisturizing. And so, yeah.
So these are actual soaps then that you would use?
Yeah, these are soaps. We have about 4 to 5 different ones. This is also a goat milk soap. It's really pretty. It's shaped as a rose.
It looks beautiful. I know my wife just loved these products, and she loved the bath bomb, and I mean, she felt like a queen,
yes.
To put that in.
Most people, honestly, when people are going through a lot of healing, a lot of times they have to get rid of a lot of things because they didn't realize what they were using was toxic. And we don't use any plastic or anything, so it's in glass, it's all recyclable packaging. So many times I have a lot of clients that were kind of bummed because they would use things that they could relax and unwind with or moisturize. And so this has enabled a lot of my clients to be able to get back into being able to relax at night and have fun when they're actually going through the detox process. We have an ylang-ylang lavender bath bomb, which is really relaxing. It smells amazing. Ylang-ylang is aphrodisiac, kind of fun.
Yes.
A lot of females love that. And then I have a citrus one, which is she makes these so pretty. This is just little dried flowers and sea salt. This is actually very uplifting. She uses citrus essential oils that are therapeutic. So if you're someone that suffers from depression, this is a really good one to use. This is rosemary peppermint, so this is really good for sore muscles. And I have the 2 sizes here because I wanted to show we have 2 sizes in every single bath bomb, but this is great for kids 6 and under, and then the larger one is great for anyone that is older than 6. And these are a couple other items. We have quite a few products, but these are some of the most popular ones. This is a sore muscle soak that is really popular. It's dead sea salts, Epsom lavender, different essential oils. You just do 3 to 4 tablespoons in a bath or a foot bath. And it's amazing for helping to get rid of sore muscles. And a lot of athletes like to use that, or people that work out a lot. This is really fun. This is a sleepy time lavender soak. Really good for kids.
That's amazing, yes.
It smells so good. I smell this all the time.
Oh, that is incredible. Yeah, you can just smell the lavender and yeah.
It has Epsom salt, chamomile, lavender, and it's designed so you can take a bath or do a foot soak, or your kids can, and it will help you to sleep at night. Another big reason I was inspired is just because a lot of things that people go through when they're trying to recover from a wide variety of things is adrenal fatigue. That's at the root of a lot of illness. You probably have found that. And to really truly nurture the adrenals, we need to relax.
Yes, yes. and this, I mean, it's such a key, to be able to relax, put a person into that parasympathetic state where you're able to detoxify, you're able to digest, you're able to repair.
Exactly.
And especially doing that right before bed, when you're then going into sleep in a relaxed state, so that your body can regenerate while you're sleeping.
Absolutely.
So this is fantastic.
Yeah, and that was another big inspiration. And I've had many clients tell me that when they go through, say, the gap state or all the different things that I coach people through, that it's made it a lot easier for them. Even my clients with kids, the little kids, have used the small bath bombs and some of these soaks. This is a goat milk bath, so this is really fun. You can do 3 to 4 tablespoons in a bath. And I have 2 different ones. This one has the gluten-free oats also added. So this is amazing if you have eczema, dry skin. It's very, very moistening to the skin. It's very soothing. And then this is a sugar scrub. So in the shower, you can use it just to exfoliate. It's very moisturizing. I love this. This is a body oil. We have a couple different ones. This is just made with apricot kernel oil. I love to use the sugar scrub, and then when I get out, I do the body oil, and then this is one of our probably top selling products. It's a whipped coconut shea butter, and that's it. It's just 2 ingredients, shea butter and coconut oil that's whipped with therapeutic grade essential oils. The beauty of this is the less ingredients, the better, because the less ingredients you have, you don't have to add binders, preservatives. We don't want that. I mean, there's over 600 ingredients that are legal in the United States that are not legal in Europe, and a lot of them are hormone disruptors. They truly can interfere with your health and your ability to get over a lot of different illnesses. So, you have to look at all this as you're going through the healing process.
Yeah. No, this is amazing. And you can find these things over at the Carlfield Center. We have them at the center. You can also order them online. So you can just go to thecarlfieldcenter.com and click on, there's a shop or buy button, shop. And we have that there, so you can order it in the shopping cart, and we'll mail it out to you. A little gift of health, right?